Hey foodies! So we've all seen those viral TikTok kitchen gadgets popping up everywhere, right? The ones that promise to make cooking easier. But are they really worth the hype? In today's video, we're putting them to the test and figuring out if these kitchen tools actually live up to the TikTok trend. Let's find out together. Chicken shredder. First, we've got the chicken shredder. This thing promises to shred your chicken in seconds. Honestly, it works as advertised, super fast and easy. If you're someone who makes shredded chicken a lot, it's a solid buy. But if you can shred it with a fork just fine, you probably don't need this. Churro Maker. Next up is the Churro Maker. It's super cool because you can make churros at home without deep frying. The churros come out crispy and sweet, but if you're looking for that classic street vendor taste, it might not hit the spot exactly. It's fun to use, but not a must-have for everyone. Compact peeler with storage. This compact peeler with storage is highly recommended by me. It catches all the peelings, so you don't have to deal with the mess. It's super efficient and a real space saver. If you're tired of cleaning up peelings everywhere, this one's definitely worth it. Meat Tenderizer. The meat tenderizer is supposed to make your steaks and chicken more tender. It definitely works. It makes your meat softer and juicier. If you cook meat often and like a tender bite, this is worth it. But if you're fine with just marinating your meat, it might not be necessary. Ice maker machine. Now the ice maker machine. It produces ice so fast. If you're always running out of ice for parties or cocktails, this is great. However, it does take up a bit of counter space, and it's not the most portable. But if you have the room, it's the best gadget to own. Dumpling Maker. Here we have the Dumpling Maker. It makes dumplings quickly and looks like a huge time saver. If you love making dumplings regularly, this gadget is definitely helpful. However, the results can sometimes be a little too compact, and you might miss that hand-folded charm, so it's not for everyone. Portable dishwasher. This portable dishwasher is a dream for small apartments or anyone who hates hand washing. It's convenient and easy to use, but it doesn't clean as thoroughly as a full-size dishwasher. If you're short on space and can't deal with hand washing, it's worth the investment, but don't expect perfection. 5-in-1 hand blender. The 5-in-1 hand blender is legit. It's versatile and can handle so many tasks like chopping, blending, and whisking. It saves a ton of space in the kitchen, and it actually performs really well. If you're a frequent cook, this one's totally worth it. Triple Meatball Maker. The Triple Meatball Maker makes 3 meatballs at once, which sounds amazing for meal prepping. However, it doesn't always form perfect meatballs, and cleaning it can be a bit annoying. Probably not worth the investment unless you make meatballs constantly. Electric griddle. An electric griddle is perfect for making pancakes, eggs, or bacon all at once. It's easy to clean and cooks evenly, which is great for big breakfasts. If you're a breakfast lover, this is worth it. LED kitchen timer. Here's the LED kitchen timer. It's simple, it's efficient, and it prevents you from burning your food. The design is sleek and it's super easy to use. It's definitely a good gadget to have in your kitchen if you're tired of checking the clock every few minutes. Butter dispenser. The butter dispenser makes spreading butter so much easier and cleaner. It dispenses the perfect amount without any mess. However, it's kind of bulky, and unless you use butter a lot, it may just take up extra space in your kitchen. It's a nice to have, but not a necessity. Electric lunchbox. The electric lunchbox is fantastic if you want to warm up your food while you're out and about. It's super convenient, but it's a little slow, and you'll need access to power to use it. It's worth it for busy people who need lunch on the go, but if you have a microwave at work, you might skip this. Food steamer. Food steamers are awesome for healthy cooking, and this one is no exception. It's perfect for steaming veggies or fish without any oils. The problem is, it doesn't give food that much flavor unless you really know how to season. If you love steamed food, it's worth it. Fast heating electric kettle. The fast heating electric kettle heats water super fast, like lightning speed. It's perfect for anyone who's always in a rush. If you drink tea, coffee, or need hot water for cooking, it's definitely worth it. But if you're not in a hurry, any regular kettle will do the job just fine. Microwave Egg Poacher. Microwave Egg Poacher is all about making eggs without the hassle. Just crack your eggs in and pop it in the microwave. It's quick and easy, but if you're after perfect poached eggs, you might want to stick to the traditional method. For busy mornings, though, it's a great time saver. Strainer bag. The strainer bag is a neat little tool for straining liquids like pasta water or washing veggies. It's reusable and keeps everything mess-free. It works really well, but it's not a game changer. If you need something super simple to strain, it's definitely worth it, but it's not something you can't live without. Mini rice cooker. A mini rice cooker is perfect if you're cooking for 1 or 2 people. It's compact, cooks rice fast, and is super easy to clean. However, if you cook rice in larger quantities, this won't cut it. If you live solo or want a personal-sized cooker, it's totally worth the buy. Batter dispenser. The batter dispenser is great for making pancakes or waffles without the mess. It dispenses the perfect amount every time, which is awesome for consistency. If you're into making breakfast often, it's a fun gadget to have. Rice washing bowl. The rice washing bowl is designed to wash rice without making a mess. It has a built-in strainer and saves time. It works well, but unless you're washing rice every day, you can get by without it. It's a nice to have, but not essential for most people. Coffee maker. An automatic coffee maker makes your mornings so much easier. Just set it up the night before and wake up to fresh coffee. It's totally worth it if you drink coffee daily. Food chopper. The food chopper chops veggies, nuts, and fruits in seconds. It's quick and efficient, which is awesome for meal prep. If you cook often and need to chop things in bulk, this is totally worth it. But if you're only chopping small amounts, it might be more of a hassle than it's worth. Pomegranate Extractor. The Pomegranate Extractor makes extracting juice from pomegranates super easy. It's great if you love fresh juice without the mess. It's handy, but it's definitely more of a niche product. Omelette Maker. An omelette maker is an absolute time saver. You crack the eggs in, add your toppings, and it does the rest. Perfect for busy mornings. It's totally worth it if you're an omelet fan. But if you can make omelets by hand, this gadget doesn't add much value. Multifunctional slicer. The multifunctional slicer lets you slice, dice, and chop like a pro. If you're all about prepping food quickly, it's a great tool to have. It's efficient and cuts down your prep time significantly. However, if you're okay with a regular knife, this might feel a little extra. The silicone garlic peeler makes peeling garlic cloves super easy. Just roll it and your garlic is peeled. It works pretty well. If you hate garlic peeling, it's definitely worth it for the convenience. Electric jar opener. The electric jar opener is a lifesaver for those who struggle to open stubborn jars. Just press the button and it does all the work. It's definitely worth it if you have weak hands or struggle with jar lids. But if jar opening is not a problem for you, then it's probably an unnecessary gadget. Microwave potato bag. The microwave potato bag lets you cook potatoes quickly and evenly in the microwave. It's a super cool time saver if you're in a rush. It's great if you cook potatoes often, but of course not a must-have for everyone. Salad spinner. The salad spinner helps dry your greens without making a mess. It's simple, effective, and a great tool for salad lovers. If you eat salads regularly, it's definitely worth it. It's a bit of a luxury. Still, it's fun to use. Air fryer. Last but not least, the air fryer. It's all about that crispy food with little to no oil, and TikTok absolutely swears by it. It does live up to the hype. Makes food crispy and delicious without the grease. If you're into healthier cooking, this is 100% worth it. All right, fam, that's a wrap. Those were the viral TikTok kitchen gadgets. Some were lit, some not so much. What do you think? Are any of these gadgets worth the hype? Drop a comment below and don't forget to subscribe to Things From Earth's channel for more amazing videos.